So I got a new skit idea. It's gonna start off with Ollie comes in the living room and she'll be like, Dad, you gotta see what Amira did. And then you be like, what'd she do? And you gotta get, worried or whatever. And then you go in there and Amira's like hanging from the ceiling. Sound cool?
Yeah, for sure. For sure.
For sure.
For sure.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I got a concept too we can do. I was telling you about the like the old school crowbars, the new crowbars, and somebody pop in the trunk and having an old school crowbar, start whooping somebody's and then doing the present crowbar, them little crowbars. Somebody pop the trunk and start whooping his butt, but that work. No!
Hey, my bad. Let me get some tissue.
Nasty!
Let me get some tissue, man. Come on.
No! Why would you do that?
Man, it was an accident. It didn't even get you that bad.
Nasty!
Let me get
No!
You're not even gonna say bless you?
Yeah.
Man, are you crying?
Look at my face.
Suck it up, princess. It's just a little snot. Better man up. Crying in my car.
Energy comedy.
Talia!
Oops, sorry, Dad.
Say bless you, for real?